Secondary storage refers to non-volatile, long-term data storage in a computer. This includes hard drives and solid-state drives. Unlike RAM, data stored in secondary storage is retained even when the computer is turned off. It's where you store your operating system, software, documents, and multimedia files for long-term access. Input devices are hardware components that allow users to interact with a computer by providing input. Common examples include keyboards, mice, touchpads, and touchscreens. They enable users to enter text, commands, or interact with software and applications. Output devices are hardware components that present information generated by the computer to the user. Common examples include monitors, printers, and speakers. They display text, images, and other data or produce physical copies of documents. In summary, secondary storage stores data for the long term. Input devices facilitate user interaction by providing input to the computer. And output devices present information generated by the computer to the user. Together, these components make up the core elements of a computer system. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.